Habitat Guatemala began in the aftermath of an earthquake in 1976. 1 in 6 people in Guatemala were left homeless, and Habitat made it their mission to help rebuild.
Access to a home, a clean restroom, and a stove are basic amenities that most of us take for granted in our daily lives. Habitat Guatemala's mission for the Healthy Homes Project and housing is to greatly improve the quality of living for these families who lack these essentials.
What do we need to know today?
That we are going to make a difference today.
Mi nombre es Esvin Andrés Noxic y aquí más que todo nosotros somos beneficiados con recibir una casa parte de Habitat.
The mission of ending poverty is extremely large, but all it takes is one small action to create a chain of goodness that helps break down such a daunting global issue.